Hello and welcome to the vlog. It is about 9 o'clock and I'm just getting around to making dinner, which is real sad. I've just got my veggies. I just washed them. They're just chilling on this Produce drying mat, which I've changed my mind about. And I also really wanted French fries. Like, I'm having a craving, so I'm gonna make my own with these two russet potatoes. Well, I'm making wraps, so I got my my lettuce chilling here, just freshly washed. And this man, I think he needs something to do. Do you need a bully stick or something? I can give you one of those. That's his bully stick chewing spot, by the way. He's like right there on the carpet. It's kind of gross, but whatever. He's got his own spot, it's fine. Yep, here he is, in for a good chewing time while I cook dinner, so he doesn't bother me.
2 a.m. in the morning, I'm in my story smoking, catching my breath. I can feel my skin burning. You light the fire in me, got no regrets. Can't forget, you got me wrapped around it. You feel me, your body wrapped around me. Good mistakes, oh, you got me looped about it. You and me, you got me losing sleep. I'm in too deep, like an overdose. You're the antidote. Losing sleep, I'm in too deep. No matter where I hide, you got me sleep deprived. Blow my mind with a warning. You digging deep within me. I feel obsessed. I can't help myself falling into the widest ocean again. Can't forget, you got me wrapped around it. You feel me, your body wrapped around me. Good mistakes, oh, you got me looped about it. You and me, got me losing sleep. I'm in too deep, like an overdose. You're the antidote. Losing sleep, I'm in too deep. No matter where I hide, you got me sleep deprived.
Good morning, fam. I am just parked at the dentist this morning. I am, again, not looking forward to this. I had two fillings that need to be filled. I got one done like a month ago, and they were like, oh, do you want to come back next week? And I was like, I don't think so. Like, really? Like, can we just wait a little bit before I have my next traumatizing dental, like, experience? I don't like having fillings. It's genetic. I'm just prone to it. It's a pain in the butt. But I hope this one goes a little smoother, and so I'm not like numb all day and like a disaster, because I really want to film. I may end up filming and having to do a voiceover later in the day because it's freaking numb to high water. Anyway, it's raining again today, and whenever it's raining, I feel like, I'm like, oh, it's always raining, but it's not. It can't always be raining, right? But I just feel like it's always raining, and gross. But it's not. Anyway, I gotta go in. I'm like gonna be late. It's like 8 o'clock in the morning right now, which is not super early, but I'm just bummed out that I'm at the dentist. Like, seriously. And my dentist is awesome. He's fine, but like, he's already got a strike against him because I don't like dentists to begin with. So that's the tea. All right, let me get out and pay for my parking and say a small prayer. Hey gang, it's Friday and I'm freaking out. Clover's not freaking out, but He might be freaking out because I'm leaving. We are, however, doing this rain boot thing right now with my outfit, but I'm on my way to rehearsal. Oh, here he comes. Sorry, buddy. So I'm on my way to a rehearsal, which I'm very nervous about, but hopefully it will be fine. Everything will go great, and tomorrow will be great. Tomorrow's the concert, so when that's done, I'll be like, whew, relieved. Anyway, I got a new SD card, so I can get 5 hours of video on this, which is amazing. So I don't know if I'm gonna have to get gas or not, so I'm leaving extra early. Rehearsal's not for an hour and a half, but I think the traffic's really bad, so it's gonna take me an hour to get there. So giving myself 30 minutes of buffer time, which is always good. But I'm going to leave and take you guys with me on the journey to rehearsal. I keep pointing my index finger at you, I'm sorry. All right, I've got everything I need in here. I've got my music, I've got all my extra things. I have my little bag organizer. I'm kind of a mess today. I got my umbrella because it's raining, boots, of course. And here's my tea. I think I'm gonna have to grab a snack because my stomach's been in knots all day and I haven't really eaten anything. So I'm just gonna grab like some crackers and some, maybe some, I don't know, just something to help me get through the evening. I'm very nervous. All right, I have arrived. It's 5:17. Is that true? Yeah, 5:17, and I am, well, I'm in the parking lot of Whole Foods in Andover, which there's nothing like, it's not like Boston. So it's cool. I got here with plenty of time to spare because I like to show up on time like a professional. I'm super nervous. I like put some like lavender essential oil on my hand to like relax myself. But I got some fun snacks. I got some cauliflower pretzels, because why not? I spent $18 on snacks because that's what kind of a day I'm having. I got some cauliflower crackers because I like cauliflower and these might be good. Then I got a Kind bar, another Kind bar, some beef jerky with chimichurri, some ginger things, and last but not least, some hot plantain chips, because I love a good plantain chip. Let me try this. I haven't had plantain chips in a while. So we got a gluten-free roll, looks like. So that was not intentional. Oh, okay, here we go. Let's try these. These are good. I don't know if they're hot. Oh, they're suggesting you put them in your pulled pork sandwich. There's a hack for you. So I'm gonna have a small snack and see if I relax a little bit more before going to the rehearsal. So wish me luck. That must seem like a hot, nervous mess. Well, I am. Let's not beat around the bush. I am. All right, I am done, and I am leaving for the night. I guess I'm done with work. So I think I'm gonna edit this video, get it up for you guys tomorrow so you guys have something to watch because I haven't been posting it to my channel. Back in the car, it's almost too late to vlog. It's just like there's not enough light left. But thank you guys for being patient with me this week while I only posted one video. And it was like, I've been rebranding my entire like website, my like in real life business, so that once I get the momentum going, I don't want to like, I want to strike while the iron's hot. So I've been doing that all week. So I hope that pays off. I don't know. I'm like, so the rehearsal was good. I think it was fine and everything. The recording session was okay. So I can't wait to go home and rest and get ready for tomorrow's concert. I hope that you guys had a great week. I need to calm down. I don't know what's going on. I'm going to go home. I'm going to eat dinner. I'm going to play The Sims, relax, probably get some vocal rest, and get ready to sing it again all over tomorrow. All right. I hope you guys are having a great afternoon, great morning, great evening, whatever order, wherever you are. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.